order to send an email to all active students in your school, the first step is to go on the email template tab. Then you're going to click on Adhoc email. You have to click on the green button here, edit. From here, you are responsible to enter a subject and a text in English and in French if you have a French student. Once all the changes are made properly, you are going to click Save Change to make sure that your template is saved properly. You can see it here. Then you go back again on Edit and you are going to click Save and Send Email. You will see then a message on the screen. They inform you that the process can take up to 20 minutes. So we recommend to do this process at the end of your day, so that way you can leave after sending the email. Once you're ready, you click Confirm. And you will see a confirmation on the top